Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the English Club Got Talent. I'm your host now, and my name is Muhammad Ilham Putra. You can call me Ilham or Risha, yeah, whatever you like. Our first contestant is from, not far away from here, yeah. Let's welcome our first contestant, Yaksha. Okay, Yaksha, what will you do today?
I will reading news.
You will read news, yeah? Okay, let's start from now. Alright, Yaksha, you are free to start.
02. Okay.
It's great.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Yang Sagia Sukumyang, and I will lead you in the next few minutes. The news today is Indonesia's economic growth exceeds expectations, paving the way for fiscal stability. Indonesia's economic landscape has shown remarkable resilience as the nation's economic growth surpassed any projections, signaling a promising outlook for fiscal stability. The latest quarterly report released by Ministry of Finance indicates that Indonesia's GDP growth for the second quarter of 2023 surged beyond expectations, driven by robust domestic consumption, increased investment, and strategic government initiatives. The data revealed a year-on-year GDP growth rate of 6.8%, outperforming earlier estimates by 0.5%. Analysts attribute this impressive growth to a combination of factors, including prudent fiscal policies, targeted infrastructure development, and effective pandemic management strategies. In a press conference held earlier today, Finance Minister Maya Surya expressed optimism about the nation's economic trajectory, stating, "The substantial economic growth witnessed is a testament to the resilience of our economy and the unwavering determination of our people. We remain committed to fostering an environment conducive and sustainable growth and prosperity." The government's strategic investments in sectors such as renewable energy, technology, and manufacturing have contributed significantly to the positive economic performance. Foreign direct investment, or FDI, has also played a vital role, with international investors demonstrating confidence in Indonesia's potential as an emerging market. This robust economic growth has had a positive impact on various aspects of the economy. Employment rates have improved, with new job opportunities created in both urban and rural areas. Consumer confidence remains strong, bolstered by rising incomes and improved economic conditions. However, experts also emphasize the importance of maintaining prudent economic management to ensure the sustainability of this growth. Addressing inflationary pressures, implementing structural reforms, and fostering a favorable business environment are among the challenges that lie ahead. In response to the positive economic data, the Indonesian rupiah has strengthened against major currencies, signaling renewed investor confidence in the nation's financial stability. While challenges persist, the nation's recent economic performance serves as a testament to the Indonesia's potential and its capacity to navigate the intricate landscape of global finance with resilience and determination. I'm Yasaya Sudaman, and all crew say thank you for watching. See you on the next 18 years.
Stay. Please stay on. Yeah, please stay on.
The judge will now ask some question for Yaksha and rate Yaksha performance. Enggak.
Kamera.
Ya, ada kata. Ya udah katanya.
Ulang lagi lah.
Ya udah.
Question.
Alright. That's a good performance from Yaksha. Now the judge will give its comments and rate.
Okay.
From Yasha, I love how you giving us the information and you speak well, but your voice is a bit low and perhaps you can start you can start by raising your voice and be more confident.
Yeah, that's it from Jekyll. Our next judge is Ali and Jason.
Yeah. So from me, Yasa, I like your performance. I like your voice. Like you are fluent and your pronunciation is good. But your eye contact is maybe you can increase again. And yeah, that's it from me.
Alright, next judge is Jason.
Okay, so from me, personally, the pronunciation is quite good actually. But for me, might as well, like, improve your, penjelasan gitu ya. Jadi, ya, jadi sebenarnya udah bagus, ya, udah bagus banget. Cuman, minus in eye contact. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so I want to give you a question. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Nervous? Yeah. Yeah, so your nervous is make your performance is don't maximal. So I think in the future you can improve it. Thank you, Yaksa.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is for our first contestant. Now we welcome you the second one. I want you to applause for Kezia. Alright, Kezia, what will you do today?
Sing English song.
Okay, Kezia will perform singing. I hope you guys enjoy it and